Well, hello there. So you want to learn about the dark L? Well, this is the video for you, because today you're going to learn how to say it and how to use it. Welcome to the dark side. I mean, the dark L. Wait. Now, geez, before we start talking about the dark L, let's talk about the light L. That's right, there's a dark L and a light L, sort of like yin and yang. So, we're going to first talk about the light L. Now, I've already done a video on the L sound, and here it is. So, if you're beginning the L sound, or you're a basic student, or well, somehow you missed this video, it's in the description box below. And I highly recommend that you watch this video first and then come back here. I'll be waiting, I promise. This video is for more advanced students that really want to sound like a native speaker. Now, this video was suggested by one of my YouTube subscribers. Thanks for that. So we're going to practice the light L sound first, and then we can do the dark L sound. But since light L is the one that's used the most, we're going to do that one first.
The American L has two pronunciations depending on where it is in the word. When the L is at the beginning of a word, like love, like, look, or at the beginning of a syllable, like elongate, release, it is called the light L. The IPA transcription for this light L is this. The light L seems to be easier to pronounce correctly because the tongue is behind your front teeth or at the bumpy ridge just behind your front teeth, the alveolar ridge. You can also put your tongue tip just a little past your front teeth. Behind your teeth, oh, just past your front teeth, oh. Here are some example words. Love, light, live, language. Love, light, live, language. Let's try these in sentences. I love learning languages. I love learning languages. I love learning languages. The lights went out where I live. The lights went out where I live. If it's easier for you to say the light L like this, then that's okay. But when you have the word the in front of the word, it's a little difficult. The light. You can say it that way, but I find that it's a little difficult. So I use the light, the light, the light.
Wonderful! Did you use a mirror and record yourself? It's very important that you do that so you can see that you're saying the pronunciation correctly and that you can hear the pronunciation as well to see if they sound the same or at least similar. Are you ready to try the dark L? Yes? Okay. Here's the dark L. Oh, you're still here. Fantastic. Because I'm going to show you how to make this sound. And then you can try it, just like in this picture.
When L is at the end of a word, like in ball and able, or at the end of a syllable, like in dollhouse, it is called the dark L. The IP transcription for the dark L may be this or this, depending on who has written the transcript. For the dark L, put the tip of your tongue behind the top front teeth. Like in light L. Oh. But it will never, ever pass the front teeth, like in the light L. Let's practice this sound with the words ball, hill, able, and reel. Ball, all, ball, all, ball, hill, hell, hell, hill, hill, hill. A, ball, all, able. Real, ale, real. Ball, hill, able, reel.
That was fantastic. You're doing great. But was it a little difficult to say still? It was difficult for me to try and show you how to do that sound. But I do have one more trick up my sleeve. Let's practice it.
Now let's try adding Add to the end of the word. Ball, ball, ball. Don't say ooh, it's ball. Tall, tall, call, call, ball, call, tall, ball, tall, call. Remember, this is only for practice. The is to help you with the pronunciation. Let's try these in sentences. The ball went up the hill. The ball went up the hill. The hill. The hill. The ball went up the hill. The man was tall. The man was tall. The man was tall. The man was tall. Can you call him? 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 Can you call him?
Did you hear the sound? But remember, that's only for practice. You don't want to keep using that. It's only to train your tongue to go up without the sound. Keep practicing. And remember, record yourself saying these words. And then listen to see if you're still saying in a few weeks' time. You want to reduce that so it's not there in the end. Now you know how to say the dark L and use it. Now remember, tell others. Everyone should know. It's fun. Now you've learned the dark L and the light L. But
you don't have to go to the dark side.
the light L, well, that's the one that's most common and the easiest to say. You can use the dark L, and if you want to try it, do it. Try it. It'll help you sound more like a native speaker. Now, next Monday, I'm going to be interviewing an English teacher, Antonio. So I'm inviting you to come watch Monday, 3 p.m., that's Central European time. And come ask your questions, and we'll talk about English. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, my students, please keep practicing. Bye!